Imagine a world where machines can produce creative content, a world where artificial intelligence doesn't just assist but creates. What does that world look like? What are the implications? Welcome to a journey into the realm of artificial intelligence, or as many know it, AI, and its remarkable potential to generate content. Consider the case of an AI model named GPT-3, developed by OpenAI. GPT-3, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a language prediction model that uses machine learning to produce human-like text. It can write poems, craft articles, and even create entire stories. Once upon a time, a team of researchers fed GPT-3 a simple prompt, in a town of La Mancha, the name of which I have no desire to recall. What followed was an astonishingly well-crafted chapter that continued the tale of Don Quixote, a chapter that was not written by Miguel de Cervantes, but by a machine. GPT-3 had never read Don Quixote before. It doesn't even read in the way humans do. It analyzes data patterns. Yet, it produced a continuation of the story that was stylistically and thematically consistent with the original text. This is AI-generated content at its finest: creative, coherent, and seemingly human. This is not to say that AI will replace human creativity, far from it. Rather, it illustrates the power of AI to assist in creative endeavors, to provide new tools for content creators to explore and utilize. So, what does this mean for the future of content creation? For starters, AI like GPT-3 can help streamline the creative process. It can generate ideas, provide drafts, and offer a starting point for human creators to refine and build upon. Secondly, AI-generated content can help bridge the gap between supply and demand in the content market. As the digital landscape continues to expand, so does the demand for fresh, engaging content. AI can help meet this demand, producing high-quality content at a scale and speed that humans alone cannot achieve. Finally, AI-generated content opens up new avenues for personalization. With AI, content can be tailored to individual users based on their preferences, behaviors, and interactions. This can enhance user engagement and satisfaction, driving success in the competitive digital space. To sum up, the world of AI-generated content is full of potential. It can support and enhance human creativity, meet the growing demand for digital content, and offer unprecedented levels of personalization. The case of GPT-3 and its Don Quixote chapter is just one example of what AI can achieve. As we delve further into the era of AI, it's exciting to envision what other creative feats these machines might accomplish. The journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. So next time you encounter a piece of content online, take a moment to ponder. Was this written by a human or a machine? The answer might surprise you.